Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious noodle rolls. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 8.5-inch rice paper wrappers, 2 cups of cooked vermicelli noodles, and your choice of fresh vegetables like crisp lettuce and shredded carrots. Don't forget your protein, perhaps 12 pieces of cooked shrimp or seasoned tofu. Having everything ready makes the rolling process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's get our filling ready. It's important to cut all your vegetables and proteins into thin, uniform strips. This makes the rolls easier to assemble and eat. Make sure any cooked proteins, like chicken or shrimp, are fully cooled before you start. Arrange everything on a platter so it's easy to grab. Also, prepare a shallow dish with warm water for softening your rice paper wrappers. Time to roll. Dip one rice paper wrapper into warm water for about 15 seconds until it's pliable, but not too soft. Lay it flat on a clean, damp surface. Arrange a small amount of your prepared filling, including noodles, vegetables, and protein, near the bottom edge. Fold in the sides of the wrapper, then roll it up tightly from the bottom, creating a neat, compact cylinder. Practice makes perfect. Your delicious noodle rolls are now ready to enjoy. Serve them fresh, perhaps with a flavorful peanut sauce or a sweet and savory hoisin sauce for dipping. If your rolls are quite large, you might want to cut them in half diagonally for easier handling. These fresh rolls are best eaten right away, but any leftovers can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 1 day. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.